Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I did not think I'd be able to post a video today. My internet was out for like 6 hours. It just came back, so I thought I would do a quick video, overhead one, to get out to you today. Happy Friday. We are opening up Heaven Panty. So this is a monthly or a bi-monthly panty subscription. So I love that. You get to choose the frequency of the deliveries, and also you get to choose how many panties you get. You can get one or two. So it starts at $9.99 or $16.99 per month, depending on if you want one or two panties. And it is all based on a profile. So you let them know what type of styles you like, what colors, what patterns, and you also let them know what your size is at other retailers. So they really do a great job trying to tailor it to your size. They even send you measuring tape your first month, which is super awesome. And you can update your style profile anytime. So you get to try your first month free. Oh, I feel something. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the clippy thing holding it. Let me get this open while I talk to you guys. But I forget what I was just saying. Okay, let's see what I got. So I was about to say, they send this to me free for review. It is not sponsored or anything. I don't have an affiliate link. I just have their regular link I'll leave in the description. And with that link, it says you can try your first month free, so no code needed. You can see the details on their website, but I love the bag this comes in because you can always get like a little peek at what's inside. I think that's so fun. So I have a hipster bikini, bordered, comfy, and lacy. Ooh, I'm excited to see. They're Bordeaux red. Oh, okay, I said bordered. Bordeaux red. So I really like the panties that come in here. They are more like kind of sexy, kind of, flirty, but like also really comfy. That's my thing, comfy and lacy. Ooh, this is like Bordeaux, like the wine. This is cute. So yeah, the styles are generally like this, but again, it's based on a profile. I have a playlist for all of the boxes I open on our channel, so you can see the past ones I've gotten if you haven't been around. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this retail value is $15, so you save money. You can also buy from their shop instead of getting the subscription. And they have a great retail plan. What am I talking about? A great loyalty program. So you can get $20 if you refer anyone, and also you get some credit if you do any reviews. So you can post on Instagram, Facebook, or on their website. And yeah, they talk about returns if you're not satisfied, the sizing we talked about, care guide, that profile. So I love how they give this information as well. Let's look at the panty though. Yay! How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh. So love the colors. Got a little bow. And on the sides and the back, we've got this beautiful lace. It's a little stretchy, which is nice. So the back is completely sheer. I love this color so much. Emmy likes to play with these. After I open this, I always throw them on the ground and she goes nuts. It's so cute. If I can get a video clip of that, I will, but it'll probably be on my Instagram because I'm going to post this video right away since it's getting close to 5 when I like to post. But look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I really like this. So, B-tie, is that how you say that? I'm not sure if that's the brand or what. So it's nylon and spandex for those wondering. But I think this is so cute. I love this color. It kind of makes me want to have wine, but maybe that's just because it's Friday. I don't know. But it's so cute. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Let me know how you're doing. And yeah, I hope you have a great day, a great weekend, a great night, whatever time or day it is. I hope you are well. I love you guys so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have an amazing day. I love you. Bye.